Hey guys, today we're making these wonderful cedar shutters for our house. We're changing the old ones out, but these are made out of 1x3 cedar that we picked up at our local hardware. They're 1x3 by 8 foot. I use about 5 of them for a set. My window's 4 feet, so it comes out about right. So follow along today. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, hey, do that. It goes a long way. And let's build some of these today. Let's check it out. Come on. Hey guys, welcome back to Savinabuck. I'm Josh. Hey, today we are going to be building some cedar shutters, just like these ones right here. 1x4s, and I'm making them for my house. My house is 11 years old. I made the shutters before. They're a little different pattern than these ones, and we're going to change them out, maybe give my house a little bit better look. We're going to go with a cedar post and cedar shutters, and then we'll see what it looks like. But my house I built myself. My wife and my daughter, we all three built it. We never hired anybody to help us. It is a pole barn house. We built it back before people went crazy over pole barn houses. This one is 11 years old, and it's time for some updating. So hang out, stay with me. I'll show you a before look, and then we'll build some shutters, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards, after it's stained. Thanks, guys. So here is before with the old shutters and the old painted post. So we'll see what it looks like here after we get done. Here's a better look at the old shutters right here. Okay, so now we have our spacers, 1-inch spacers. We have 4 1x3s cut down to 4 foot. And then we have 2 of our cross blocks that are cut down to 13 inches. And that gives us even spacing to make our shutters. So we've got a framing square to make sure they're square when we nail them all up. Our nail gun, let's get started. I'm using my spacers to set the depth of my cross blocks. And then we set it the same depth as the spacer is. We'll put 1 nail in. Even. We haven't put 2 nails in it yet because we're going to square it up with our framing square before we put our 2 nails in. So we've got it spaced evenly, and we'll square it up real quick with a framing square. square now. Put our fingernails in each one. And that's it. Now we'll build us several more of these right here. And that's what we'll put on our house right here. We'll stain these and put them out front and take our old ones off. Our old ones are about 10 years old with a little different design. So we'll take them off, replace them with these, and see what it looks like all together. Look guys, these are really simple, easy to build. Anybody can build these, pretty basic. But it'll make your house look 10 times better, I think, instead of the old cheap plastic ones you can buy. I think you'll get a lot more reward out of building your own and staining them to your choice of colors. So, let's see what they look like. Alright, so my wife here is putting on a little bit of cedar stain. It is Special Walnut is the color by Minwax. And she does a lot better at this than I do. I like to leave this up to her. She's very good at it. Alright, so I wrapped these beams one day after work. I had a little extra time. I didn't get a film me wrapping them, but they looked and turned out great. These are the old shutters. We're getting ready to switch them out to the new ones. It is trying to rain on me while I'm doing this, so we'll try to hurry this up and show you what it looks like. Alright, we're going to remove these old shutters. They're still good shape, but we just want to change the looks a little bit. And as you can see, I've got somebody looking out the window at me. She's spying on me. There's always a good witness to everything you get involved in. But these shutters are going up really simple. I put in 2 metal screws in it, and it'll hold top and bottoms pretty good. And we'll just keep on going, see what it looks like in the end. Alright, coming up on the last window right here. As soon as we get it done, we'll see what it looks like all together. But this is a great do-it-yourself project, and anybody can do it. Give it a try. It's a lot better than going out and buying just plastic shutters. I think you get a little more reward if you build your own and make it look custom. So let's see what it all looks like after we're finished here. Alright, well the rain has caught me, but overall I think it turned out really awesome. Thanks for watching everybody, and I think I'm going to change the color of that door. We'll see.